everybody, what's going on? Today let's take a test drive in this 2003 Ford F350 Lariat Super Duty with the 6-liter Powerstroke turbo diesel V8. It's going to be a combination of first and third person views, taking on through the city and a couple highway shots, go over the performance data and show the engine, and show you a few of the features on the interior and exterior. And today I'm at my family's dealership, Car Connections Incorporated, in Reidsville, North Carolina. Like I said, this is the Lariat trim. Has tan leather interior. It's got 134,000 miles on it. Fires right up. Like I said, the 6-liter Powerstroke V8. It's a long bed, Line-X coated bed liner. Roomy interior. It's in absolutely fantastic shape. Quite a large truck. Takes a little bit more watching out with the extended wheel flares in the back in regards to turning it in tight places. Smooth acceleration. The shifts are very smooth as well. Doesn't really have that harsh transmission shift as some of the other diesels I've had. The 6-liter Powerstroke this F350 is equipped with puts out about 325 horsepower at 3,300 RPM and 560 foot-pounds of torque at 2,000 RPM. It's a 32-valve engine. This is one of the more fully loaded F350s, the Lariat trim that you can buy. I believe the only package in these particular years that were any more loaded were the King Ranch. But it is four-wheel drive. You have your four-wheel drive controls here, easily accessible. Tow haul mode located on the shifter column. Cruise control located here. Headlight controls. Easy to use climate control for depending on how tall you are, you might have to lean in a little bit more to reach them. You also have your power pedal adjust, cup holders, power outlet, and like I said, it is a little bit bigger of a truck, or quite a bit bigger, with the long bed, full-size crew cab, and the double axle in the back. Takes a little bit more for maneuverability and has a little bit less agility versus a smaller truck. But definitely worth it when it comes to towing and hauling things. Try to take it more on a straightaway. She'll definitely get up and go though. Wiper controls.
And the clay, not a worry in a world of PBR on the way. Life is good, day. Life is good.
Okay, do the first person clip. You have heated exterior mirrors. The seats are very supportive too. Instead of some more traditional flatter bucket seats, you have side bolstering that comes up a little bit on each side and a wee bit right here, but mostly down the bottom. It really hugs your lower body pretty well. Do a little acceleration pass. The Powerstroke definitely has a unique sound to it. Has a little bit more of a whine or high-pitched note versus some of the other diesels. The Cummins Ram that I test drove in the last video had a little bit more of a raspier sound, I thought. This one seems a little bit more tame. Like I said, it's just my opinion. Other people might think a little bit differently. Alright guys, Hope you enjoyed this test drive of the 2003 Ford F350. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more that came from. Take care, everybody.